What's up guys, DJ Gabuli Architect here and welcome to my channel. Our topic for today is about how to convert the Revit template to project. Okay, first let's open the file, new, then you choose the project template, then use the architectural template, then set OK. Okay, let's create a wall first, wall. Okay, then let's save this one as say sample project 1, then save. Okay, let's go to our folder. You see this one is the Revit template. Okay, you minimize this one, then close. Okay, let's open the file, let's convert it to the project. Tapos select this browse, then let's copy the link for our folder, then select this sample project 1, then open, then you choose the project, create new project, then set OK. Okay, this one is already a project, we already converted it to project. Okay, let's create a door first, create a door, then let's save this one as project sample, then save. Okay, let's take a look at our folder. Yes, so this one is already a project. Okay, minimize this one, then let's save as, let's convert it to project template again, file, then save as, then select this template, then let's make it project sample A, then save. Then when I look at our folder, you see it's already a Revit template. Okay, that's all guys, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe.